To add a lock screen pin or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is fairly easy. You're going to start by navigating to the settings app on your watch. And then from here, you're going to scroll down and select the option Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, choose Lock Type, and then you have your pattern or pin. So go ahead and select the one you'd prefer. Then draw your pin or pattern, enter it again. And once you do that, that should now be your new lock type. Now you can choose to make the pattern invisible, you can choose to hide information, and you can also choose to enable auto factory reset in case someone tries to unlock your watch and they fail continuously. You can also choose to enable or disable wrist detection and all sorts of options that are available. When you do that now, whenever your watch goes off, like so, all you need to do now is simply press on the home button to wake it up, swipe up, and you should be prompted to enter in your current PIN or pattern. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.